You are welcome. Healthy smoothie for breakfast. Healthy smoothie. If you want to lose weight, come closer, come closer. Have your seat. Let's go. Here we have frozen oatmeal. This is the dry one. You can see it's white oat. Here we have almond milk. Here we have green apple, strawberry and banana, frozen. All is frozen. Here we have honey for the sweetener. You can use any sweetener that you have. In the blender, we have put everything. Let's add some ice. You can see it's a bit difficult to blend because all is frozen. And I added less milk because I want it to be thick. When it's like this, you can stop blending and remove the blender. Try to shake it. Take your spoon, try to mix it back together and blend it back. Or you add more milk. You can see now it's now blending smoothly. Can you see that? Et voila, our smoothie is ready. Healthy and heavy. When you take it, your stomach is sure till 2 p.m. 3 p.m. no hungry. Trust me. And it's very nice. Let's try it. Cheers. So yummy. Can you see that? Oat banana berry smoothie. Before we move into the next video, I want to say thank you for watching. Thank you for coming. If today is your first time, you're welcome. To my old subscriber, you are amazing. Also, please don't forget to like, share and comment. Let me know what you think about this smoothie. So now, let's move into the next one. Let's go. Here we have banana, carrot. For the carrots, I'm going to use the juice. I'm going to blend it and use the juice to blend the smoothie. Honey and oatmeal. In the bowl, we put our oatmeal and we now pour water and mix it and cover it for 5 minutes. You can see now we are going to set it aside. Next, our carrot. We are going to blend our carrot now to extract the juice. If you have juice maker, it's very easy. You will just use it. Carrot in the blender. Now we are going to put water. We'll put half cup of water. After blend it, we have to strain it. Here we have our carrot juice. In the blender, we put banana, soak oat, honey for the sweetener. Now we put the carrot juice. You can put orange juice. We now add in ice for it to be chill. You can see our smoothie is blending. This one is blending fast because it's not frozen. Into our glass, let's pour our smoothie. Can you see that? Let's try it together. Please pause this video, pause it here, run to your kitchen, go and do it fast and come on, let's try it together. Let's try it together, guys. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate. Don't forget to love yourself first. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Ciao.